welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dani and this is Coffee Break with Dani. Today we're here with Ulta Beauty's July Skin-Fatuation trend, which just so happens to be vitamins. If you guys have been missing out on these monthly videos, this video is in partnership with Ulta Beauty, and basically what we do is we get together every month. We pick a skincare trend and we show you Ulta Beauty's favorite products. So basically, we have covered topics from masking to cleansers to all that awesome good stuff like products with SPF. This month in particular, our focus is vitamins. Now, the best part of this monthly video is that this monthly video just so happens to be a giveaway. Yep. Every month it's a giveaway, and every month one of you guys gets this entire box of goodies, which I'm supposed to be all like, oh, what's in the box? But the box is behind me and you can see all the stuff back there. You're welcome. So last month's winner was Becky in Oregon, so congratulations to her. So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to talk about Ulta Beauty's picks for products with vitamins, right? Now, if you hear about a product that sounds super interesting to you or sounds like something right up your alley or something that would improve the quality of your skin, there will be a link in the description box below with additional information on the product and how you can get your pretty little hands on it. There will also be a link to the giveaway where one of you guys will take home all of the products that we talk about in this video. But if you guys are super excited to hear about these products, then all you gotta do is keep watching, because our first product is from Tarte, and I know you guys love that brand. So, Tarte's Maracuja Oil. You guys, they changed the packaging and it's so cute now. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? So one of Tarte's best-selling products is their Maracuja Oil, which focuses on 3 things: recovery, rejuvenation, and hydration. This is a product that you are not limited to as a moisturizer. You could use it for a variety of different things. You could use it as part of your skincare, or you could use it as part of your makeup routine. Have any of you guys seen those Instagram videos where a lot of girls that have dry skin, or they're using a really matte foundation, add a few drops of oil to their foundation mix and they make the best combo ever? Yeah, you could use this product for that. This product's also really, really cool because it does have a handy dandy dropper. So it's not gonna get messy or leak or, you know, destroy your vanity. Now, the focus of this product, or the star of the show, is vitamin C and fatty acids. The next one, you guys, is a super duper mega winner. Again, the star of the show, or the vitamin that you want to focus on for this one, is vitamin C. This is Peter Thomas Roth's Potent C Power Serum. Okay, this stuff here is the good stuff. You want to make sure you use it morning and night. This is going to help you with skin tone, texture of your skin, and it's also going to help with those wrinkles, which I may or may not have a few of already. This is a great product for things like your neck or the backs of your hands. It's a very potent product, and because it is a high concentration of vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, you want to make sure that you use a sunscreen over it, okay? Because this is a serum, you want to take 1 to 2 pumps depending on how much product you need, and you apply it to clean, dry skin, and then follow up with your moisturizer and or sunscreen. This goes on first. The next product, you're gonna be like, what is that, girl? This is a product from Clinique, and it is the Fresh Pressed Daily Booster with pure vitamin C. This is a 10% vitamin C concentrate. It's one of the best vitamin C serums out there. It is a 1-week treatment, and basically what it is, it's a cute little vial like this. I'll show you guys up close footage of how it works, and you're going to use this after you cleanse but before you apply your moisturizer or your sunscreen. It's going to be something that you use morning and night, and like I said, it is a 1-week treatment. With vitamin C serums, it's really important that you do use sun protection. And vitamin C is such an essential nutrient to reverse the signs of aging, to firm up the skin, to improve your skin's radiance, and to also even out your skin tone. So with something like this, it does have a high concentration of vitamin C, but it also expires. So you want to make sure that you use it as it's indicated on the packaging and that you actually use it up within the 7-day window of time, or it will expire. Now we're going to talk about a peel. This is an exfoliating peel or mask from the brand Juice Beauty, which is a green brand. And this is a product that has vitamins A, C, and E, and it also has alpha and beta hydroxy acids. It's gonna give you guys spa grade exfoliation. You could use it 1 to 2 times a week. You wanna make sure that you use it probably towards the end of the day, like after your nighttime routine. So you'll use this before bed during your nighttime routine after you've cleansed your skin. And like most exfoliating peels, it's going to even out skin tone. It's going to help you with anti-aging benefits, but this is a peel, so you also want to consider that it's going to exfoliate the surface of your skin and keep your skin looking bright and radiant, and also help with discoloration or hyperpigmentation of the skin. This product is super interesting. This is from Pure, and it's their Miracle Mist. This is a hydrating spray that can also be used as a makeup setting spray if you use mineral makeup, and it has more than 70 vitamins, minerals, amino acids. So this is one of those products that I used to carry in my gym bag when I used to go to the gym. And it's a really great rehydrating mist. It's just one of those like thirst quenching products for your skin where you put it on and you're like, your skin just feels so much better. It's great for setting makeup, but it's also great for rehydrating your makeup. So if it's kind of like the end of the day and you're feeling a little yuck, you want to like perk up your skin, brighten it up, give it a little drink of water, this is a really great product for that. The last product is edible. Yes, you heard it here first. This is the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Water Booster. This is a dietary supplement that is infused with goji and acai berry. It is an ingestible water supplement. So basically it's a liquid vitamin. And what you do is you take 1 full dropper and you apply it to, or you add it to 8 ounces of water or 8 ounces of whatever you want to drink. You could even add it to your food. However, it does have a little flavor to it. It's infused with green tea, white tea, and grapeseed extract. So you want to take that into consideration when you're adding it to something. I would recommend just adding it to water. I prefer, when I tasted this, I preferred it in cold water. So I just took a dropper full and squeezed it in there. But if you guys like mineral water, like Topo Chico, you could add a squeeze of that in there and then you have like a sparkling beverage. The whole premise behind this product is that it helps fight free radicals, which cause aging on the skin. Out in the environment, there's a lot of harmful things called free radicals that cause aging or cause signs of aging to our skin. They make us look older, whether it's our face looking dull, wrinkles. So what this does is it chains up those free radicals within our system and it helps prevent the signs of aging. So what you're doing is you're creating beauty from the inside out. So if you guys are into dietary supplements, this might be a really cool option to check out. It's kind of cool to me that a lot of these beauty brands or companies are turning into are leaning towards like the vitamin route, because after all, if our system is not pretty on the inside, it's going to be a lot harder to make it pretty on the outside, right? Anyway, that is it for this Ulta Beauty Skin-Fatuation trend of the month. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Additional information on all of these products will be listed in a link in the description box below. So if you want to find out more about either the Dr. Brandt supplement or the Pure Hydrating Mist or any of the products that I mentioned, there will be a link in the description box below. Head on over to that link, click it, find out more about it, add it to your cart, you're welcome. There will also be a link for you guys to enter this giveaway where you can get one of each of these fabulous products that we picked out for you guys. If you guys want to find out about all the other skincare trends that we have been talking about or the other Skin-Fatuation videos, there will be a playlist in the description box below as well. That's it. All right, that's it. For real, that's it this time, okay? I love you so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys.